Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to promote a YouTube video with Google Ads. All right, so let's begin with the video. We'll start right inside your Google Ads account. At the top left, click Create, then choose Asset. This is where your video file or link will live before it's used in a campaign. Next, choose whether to create a video or upload an asset, depending on whether your video is ready. If your video is already produced, upload it now. You'll be prompted to select the YouTube channel that this video will link to so views and engagement are attributed properly. Once you've confirmed the channel, click Upload and wait for the upload to complete. After the asset is uploaded, head back to the top left and click Create again, this time selecting Campaign. You'll be asked to pick an objective. Choose the one that best matches your goal, whether that's sales, leads, app promotion, or website traffic. Your objective helps Google tailor the settings and recommendations you'll see next. Select video as your campaign type. Then choose the campaign subtype that fits your format and outcome. The subtype shapes where your ad shows and how users interact with it. Move into the campaign's general settings, give the campaign a clear name, set your locations and languages, and review networks if available. Define the audience you want to reach by refining demographics and interests so your message gets in front of the right viewers. When it's time to add creatives, select the ad videos you uploaded earlier. If it's easier, you can paste the YouTube URL directly instead of uploading again. This ensures the ad references the exact video you want to promote and pulls in the correct metadata. Now set your target CPV bid. Start with a reasonable bid, then plan to adjust once you see performance. Then here, click on Review and then finally click Create Campaign. That's it. Your video promotion is ready to go live and start gathering views and insights. So that's basically how you can promote a YouTube video with Google Ads. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.